In this video, I am going to show you how to scan a YouTube TV QR code to quickly access content or sign into your account. Scanning a QR code with YouTube TV is a simple process that can save you time when linking devices or accessing shared content. To get started, open the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your camera or QR scanning feature is enabled. If you're signing in on a smart TV or streaming device, navigate to the YouTube TV app on the device and select Sign In. A QR code will appear on the screen. On your phone, open the YouTube TV app. Go to the Settings menu and select Sign In with QR code. Use your phone's camera or the built-in scanner to point at the QR code displayed on your TV or device. Once scanned, your devices will sync and you'll be signed in automatically. If you're scanning a QR code for content like a specific show or event, simply use your phone's camera app or a dedicated QR code scanner, and it will redirect you to the correct page in the YouTube TV app. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to scan a YouTube TV QR code, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.